Hello guys, are you still waiting for no deposit bonus? So here once again I have brought an amazing broker, and this broker is providing $100 no deposit bonus. So just watch this video complete, and there's no KYC in this broker. Very first you can get $100 no deposit bonus. After that you can work on that. Once you fulfill all the things, then you can do your KYC and withdraw your all profit. So here first I will give the link of this broker in my description. You have to go and click on that link. Once you click, you will come to this page. Here this broker's name is Player. Once you come here, you will have to click on these three lines here, and then there are the sections known as home, trade, platform. You will have to click on a client section. Once you click here, there will be a 3 to 4 accounts: open a live account, deposit account, and free bonus account. You have to click on free bonus account here. Once you click here, then this page will come in front of you. Here they are providing us $100 no deposit bonus, and if you refer someone, and then you will get $100 extra over here. So these are the terms and conditions. You have to read by yourself terms and conditions all. So here what you have to do, you have to click on get your bonuses. Once you click here, there will be a registration form will come in front of you. You have to fill this all form. I'm gonna fill it, and then I'll tell you the next step. After filling, you will have to click on, you will have to check all these information, and then you will have to click on a join. I'm gonna fill all the information, and then I'll click on a join, and the next page will come. I'll tell you what you have to do in next page. I the previous form I filled. Then when you click on continue, you will come to this page. Here you have to read this page, and they are saying that if you are a USA resident, you have to click on yes. If not, you will have to click on no. So I'm gonna click here no, because I'm not a US residential. So here now you have to write your address and your city and your postal code. I'm gonna put all the things over here. Then I will go to the next page. As you can see that I have filled all the information here. Then you will have to click on continue again. So I have clicked on continue. Here again you can see that here you have to fill your date of birth, your place of birth, your nationality, and your passport number or a CNIC number. Whatever you have to put here. So I'm gonna do everything over here now. Then this page will come here. This page is saying politically exposed person detail. If you are politically exposed, then you will have to check over here. If you are not, then you have to come below and you have to click on a continue. I'm going to click on a continue. After that, profession, choose your profession. If you are a student, you are self-employed, whatever you are, you have to for example, I am unemployed. I have just choose this one, unemployed, and then you'll have to click on current your experiences. Okay? So whatever you have experience or anything, you can check over here. You can choose any category in which you belong. Okay, so here I'm gonna choose the education or training here, and then you have to click on a continue again. And these are the questions you have to read out. I'm gonna read everything, and then I'll tell you that you have to check or not. As you can see, I have filled this information. You have to fill like that, and then you have to click on a continue. After that, this page will come, and you have to fill this page all. And they are just asking about your experiences, that you have trade or not, whatever, how many times you are, how many since how you are long trading here, and this kind of information you have to fill here. Okay, I have filled all the information. You have to fill your own, and then you have to click on a continue. And then when you click on a continue, this page will come again. You have to fill this form as well. Okay, as you can see this, I have filled this form. Then you have to click on a continue again. This page will come, and you have to fill this form as well. I'm gonna fill it again. Okay, I filled this information. Now you have to click on a continue. I'm gonna click on continue. Once you click, now I think so your yes, your account is created now. So what you have to do, you have to log in your ID. Okay, so I'm gonna log in my ID. Then I'll tell you that how you can get $100 no deposit bonus from this broker. Now I have activated my account, and I went to my Gmail and click on a confirmation. Now my account is activated. Now I'm gonna click on a login. You have to click on a login. As you can see, now your account is getting ready, and you will go to your dashboard area. I am on my dashboard area now. So now I'll tell you that how you will get $100 no deposit bonus from this broker. As you can see that I already have received $100 no deposit bonus without doing anything, just when I created account and then gave me $100 no deposit bonus. Now what you have to do, you have to trade here, and whatever the profit you generate, and as I already told you that you have to go to the website and you have to read all the terms and conditions. If you can fill the terms and conditions, then you have to create an account over here, otherwise leave this broker.